Hello to all. Through this, I am going to tell you that how you can use your Google Classroom, how students can use it. First of all, what we have to do, just go to Play Store and download the Google Classroom app. I have already downloaded here. Here is the Google Classroom app. Right? Now what I have to do, suppose I have to join a class. I will click on plus sign. You will get the option join class. Now click on join class. You have to enter the class code. Right? Now whatever the code is, if it is in small, you will be entering the small letters. If it is in capital, you will be entering the code in the capital letter. Let's check it out. You will receive all the codes on WhatsApp. Now check on WhatsApp what is the code. Suppose I want to join the third class science class, so I will be getting this code EEP2I2M. This is the code. Now I will enter this code EEP. Now I will click on join. After this, my class will be joined. Now you are able to see the assignment which are assigned by the teacher. Now suppose I have to attach the file for the notebook check. I will click on this, the second one, new assignment science notebook check. I will click over it. Here the teacher has given the notification that how you have to attach the file or whatever the work she wants. Next, now downward at the bottom you can see the arrow. Click on this arrow. Here you will get the option add attachment. Means whatever the work you have to send to ma'am, you have to attach the file. Click on add attachment and from here you can attach the file. You have to attach the file, so you will click on file. This folder will open. Whatever the file you want to attach, you can search. Suppose you are having the file in your document folder. The document will arrive. PDF, whatever you want. I just select that file and that file will be uploaded here. The file has been attached, you can see here. Now simply click on hand in. As you click on hand in, the file will be reached to the teacher. Yes, hand in. And the file has been submitted. Now this unsubmit option you don't have to click. Once you have submitted, don't do anything. Now your work has been posted to your teacher.